Hi everybody, this is Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. I want to share a tip with you today. As I travel nationwide, coast to coast, so often than not, I meet investors that really want to make this happen. But the problem is they're not doing enough what I call lead generation. Some of them might be only working with one realtor. Some of them might be thinking about putting out signs to advertise they buy homes, but they don't. Some people might be thinking about calling for sale by owners, but they don't. Some people might think about going to auctions, but they don't. If you're committed to this, okay, you have to do lead generation. One of the best tips I can give is you can't only have just one realtor, because one realtor is like fishing, okay? You're gonna catch more fish with more lines in the water rather than just one. So you need to come out of your comfort zone. You need to work with more than one realtor and find the best realtors that are out there. Maybe you'll end up with working with 3 or 5 realtors for a couple different areas you're looking in, but that's going to generate more leads. Maybe now it'll inspire you to go and look for sale by owners in the newspaper, driving around. Maybe working with wholesalers. Maybe putting out signs that you buy houses. But what I want you to do, if you're looking for great deals, you got to work hard to find a great deal, especially in the hot markets. So go out there, make it happen, find some more deals, crush it, and your dreams can be a reality sooner than you might think. Believe and achieve. Take care. Bye-bye.